Super cute. Perfect for summer. We're going to cut 3 inches of 20 gauge wire and make a small loop like that. Then we're going to start stacking on our heart, seed bead, spiny oyster shell, seed bead, another spiny oyster shell, seed bead, and our Czech glass. Now we're going to wire wrap the top of this and slip it on our leverback. Hang on to the top, push it straight back. Use our round nose pliers to come up, over, down. Rotate our pliers and bring the wire to the back. And straighten out. We're going to flip open the wire, add our lever back, pinch the loop closed, come in with our bent chain nose pliers and wrap around. Then we're going to find the burr and pinch that down and go on to the next earring.